To convert this text, all of this text into capital letters, what I'll do is I'll click equals upper and I will just click the range and I will click enter, and then I can just drag this down, okay, like that. So I can see everything is turned into capital letters, and if I want to turn it into all small letters again, I will click lower function and I will just click all that range and click enter, and I can just click on it and drag it down. If I want to change this the first letter to be capital and the rest small letters, I can just click equals proper and I will just click that and click enter and bring this down. Okay, so these three functions are very important. This is a proper, this means that it's capital on the first one and the rest are small. These are all small and these are all capital letters. So you can just fix it. It's very easy. It's very handy function.